Honey, I think we should go somewhere for our honeymoon.
Sure, honey. Where do you want to go?
I think Las Vegas is a great place for the newlyweds.
Shall we go there by train or by air?
I prefer to go by train. We can do some sightseeing on the way.
Yes, I agree. When do you plan to go there?
I am thinking of October 18th.
I think so. We should come back before our parents' wedding anniversary.
Yes, you are right. I'll book the tickets right now. Hello, I am Brian, a first-year student.
Hello, Brian. I am Jessica, a second-year student. Nice to meet you.
What is your major?
It is linguistics, and you?
It is business administration. I am also taking a foreign language. Which language do you study?
I study Russian.
It must be very interesting.
Yes, but it is a difficult language for beginners.
Can you teach me Russian? When you have free time? I would love to know about Russia's culture, too.
I also join a Russian club every Thursday. If you want to join, you can go with me.
That's great. This Thursday I will go with you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I am looking for my hat. I think I left it here earlier.
What does it look like?
My hat is white with a big flower on it.
Oh yes, I have seen it somewhere.
Really? Where?
Let me see. I remember seeing it on the ground near the table.
Oh. I returned there earlier, but it was not there.
I am afraid someone has taken it.
That sucks, but well, thank you. Anyway,